Hi everyone, welcome to new video, welcome to my channel. Pattaya high season, as you see. Let's do this, guys. Don't forget, our goal is 3000 subs before New Year. So if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Okay, we start in the part of town a little bit called the India town, and I am walking toward the walking street to see what the effects of the Rolling Stone festival are over there. So guys, subscribe and enjoy the video. Crazy busy, guys. High season, huh? So that was kind of India town with the extent here, the Nasha Club. So let's check it out from here, walking street. So that music is blasting loud. Let's walk away from it before I get a copyright strike because of it. So walking street, daytime. Anyone was wondering, Club Panda is here. Yes, and lots of you guys have never been here in daytime. Pretty nice restaurant over here.
Hello, my friend. What do you want?
The kebabs that you are gonna probably eat tonight is being prepared. Oh, that's a new one. Boss Club. What was here before? I think Marina, right? No. Guys, what was here before? Huh? No, this is Marine. I don't know what was here before. Maybe some kind of parking complex. Anyone knows what the boss disco was? Yeah, here's the old marina, it's Jawa, Jannat. Yeah, guys, the tourist is shifting, so we have lots of Indian clubs, and that's not a bad thing. I have been to these clubs and pretty good VIP, pretty good service. Yeah, I can't film there, but they're definitely good, huh? I will try. One of these times I will ask where I can film in the club. But there's also always a sensitive issue, guys, filming in the club. High season Busan. Check out my videos from low season. It's busy, but now it's just mad, guys. After this I'm gonna do Beach Road, so let's see what's going on there. The rolling loud is here, as you see Taiga, and the rest of the zoo is at the clubs. But guys, if you're looking for those kind of videos, you have the wrong person. I tried last year with New Year to make a video out at the beach. It's just not safe, bro. And I am too old for this shit. That is just, you can watch the video. At some point my motorbike get carried by the crowd and I couldn't escape. It was like hell, bro. So totally no organization. But nothing goes wrong, but not for me. Okay guys, we are approaching the end of Walking Street. I hope you have enjoyed this video, little bit of India Town. That is not a bad name, it's just I have made also Arab neighborhood video, but yeah, so that is the India Town over there. And a little bit of Walking Street. I was expecting more people, to be honest, because of the rolling loud, but maybe we see them on the beach road. Guys, as always, the goal for this time 3,000. If you have enjoyed the video, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and let's hit 3,000 up before end of New Year. Mike out here from Walking Street.